Hello, my name is Jose Barriga and welcome to the next video on the Nissan Sentra conversion to an electric car. And in this video I want to show you that I have my transmission and my motor inside of the engine compartment now, and I am in the process of using the original supports of the motor to fix the electric motor and the transmission. Now this can be a little tricky because even though we have some screws here in the electric motor, I cannot really use this for anchoring, because these are very measured exact screws and they're holding the magnetic fields. So this is a no-no. Not using these screws for anchoring the motor. And also I cannot weld anything into this because it will lose the warranty and it probably would damage the motor. So this is pretty much everything that is available for anchoring the motor, and it's not really for that, but it's for lifting. So basically I need to figure out a way to do that, and even though I can use some of the screws in the transmission to do that, in the motor itself I'm trying to find some harnesses. I've seen some in the internet. There are two half circles that are attached with screws. I think that I can probably build something like that or find them online for the motor. And well, there is just one more support in the front, which should be okay because we have screws here that we can use for anchoring, and I can use the original support that the motor had here. So I don't think I'm going to have any problem with the front. It's just on the sides, left and right, that I have to figure out how to do that. Once I can figure out how to do that, the next step is to figure out where I'm going to put the controller, which I think is probably a good place to put it behind the motor. I don't know yet, but it's probably here going to be a good place. And as you can see, I still have my board here just to try to protect the air conditioned radiator so I don't damage it while I'm working, since we are going to reuse that one. Very important. The electric standards, the standard safety standards in electric cars indicate that any cable that conduces or transports dangerous currents, or potential dangerous currents, has to be orange. The problem is that since I've been building my own cables, and I've been doing that because I want to have the cables as short as possible, for performance reasons they have to be as short as possible. I'm building my own cables and then they're not orange. So what I'm trying to do is, now I bought this conduit that is orange, and I'm going to put all the dangerous cables inside of the conduit, and in that way I will still going to meet the code of safety, and well, I can use the regular cables and they'll be orange colored once I'm done. You can find all these on the local warehouse stores. These can be welded with soldering into the cable and then shrinking tube for the sealing, so that they're pretty good so far. It's very important that the motor and the transmission are as close as possible to the inclination and to the position of the original engine, so the shafts to the wheels work properly. So that's also another tricky part, trying to really align things perfectly to leave it in the same position it was before. In the next video I'm going to show you when this is properly anchored, and we can then do another test with the wheels. Until the next video, thank you.